Hi, I have good news for you. My team and I will be offering a free training and workshop under my Australian business. This is a 1 to 2 hour session per day for 5 days. This is for those interested in appointment setting. Either you would like to have this as an additional skill or offer this solely as a service. This is one of the in-demand skills in the freelancing or VA world. And this is for those interested in making calls to potential customers and booking appointments for your clients or for your client sales team. Those who would like to learn how to use a calendar sharing tool so you can book appointments for your client. Those who would like to learn how to use a CRM to log your activities and set appointments. And those who would like to learn from someone who has been doing all of these for 4 straight years. You are welcome to apply and join the workshop. Again, it is free, and we would like to help people who would like to add new skills to their portfolio, the beginners in this industry to gain confidence so we can help them start their VA or freelancing journey. You may send your resume and cover letter to cforceworkshop@gmail.com. Again, that's cforceworkshop@gmail.com. In the subject line, please type appointment setting. This will start on Monday, the 21st of September, 2020. I hope to see you there.
I'm an appointment setter, and I've been working for the past 24 years now. Okay, very old. And I've been involved in different industries. I worked as a subject teacher, a service crew, been in sales. I knocked on doors. I traded foreign currencies and did all kinds of odd jobs that were available during those times in the early days. Parang tagal na, no? But yeah, sobrang tagal. And I even opened up a sari-sari store. Unfortunately, it didn't do very well. It was not enough to pay the bills, so I decided to just close it down. And I thought to myself, why not just do the thing I'm good at, but just do it here at home? So that was the time I started applying as a virtual assistant. So I started as an appointment setter back in 2017. But prior to that, in 2006, I started my career as a call center agent in one of the best BPO companies in Makati. But because of the COVID-19 situation, napilitan tayong mag-work from home, which is not a bad idea. Actually, it's a very profitable industry. You just need to know how to do it, where to go, and where to find help. So you're in the right place right now.
I also would like to share with you this video of one of our attendees and how I was able to add value to her VA or freelancing journey.
Hello, my name is Dayanara and I am from Laguna. I-share ko po sa inyo kung paano ako nag-start bilang isang virtual assistant. Nagsimula din ako sa walang alam. Nagsimula din ako sa pag-research at paghahanap ng kasagutan sa mga tanong na paano ba magsimula ang isang virtual assistant? Ano ba ang mga kailangan? So, bago po ako naging isang virtual assistant, ako po ay isang online seller. Alam naman po natin na hindi madali ang maging online seller lalo na kapag lumuluwas ka ng Divisoria. So, nung una, wala talaga akong idea what is a virtual assistant. Kaya, nagsikap talaga ako na mag-invest sa mga kagamitan or equipments like laptop, internet connection. So, yun na nga po, nag-enroll ako sa isang online course. And after ko makagraduate, nag-try na akong mag-apply. But then, ang hirap mag-apply, lalo na't ang taas ng kompetisyon ngayon, pandemic. Halos lahat gusto mag-work from home. Halos lahat nagja-job hunting. That's why I tried searching. Ewan ko, pero ba't ako napadpad sa group ni Miss Maya Davis? Nag-o-offer sila ng internship. At meron din siyang YouTube channel, Miss Maya Davis. May mga free trainings siya doon at pwede nyo pong gawing portfolios iyon na makatutulong sa inyo para ma-build ang skills nyo. Magagamit nyo yon kapag magsisend na kayo ng cover letter, i-attach nyo yung portfolio nyo doon sa cover letter. So, malaki ang naging tulong sa akin ni Miss Maya Davis dahil ang CForce Global ay nakapag-internship ako sa kanila at nung matapos na ay nag-try akong mag-apply, and then sa cover letter ko, in-include ko ang CForce Global bilang reference. So, binigyan nila ako ng magandang feedback at natanggap ako bilang part-time na assistant sa isang client sa Las Vegas, Nevada. And pangalawa is, nagkaroon din ako ng another part-time I found it naman through Instagram. Nagli-lead generation na ako, ginagawa ko yun sa Instagram, and I found it very effective. So, yun lang. I now have 2 part-times, hindi na masama dahil simple lang naman ang buhay na meron kami. And kung gusto nyo pong matuto ng virtual assistance, hanapin nyo po si Miss Maya Davis sa YouTube. At ito nga po pala ang aking work from home setup. Makikita nyo dyan sa screen. Miss Maya Davis, hanapin nyo po sa YouTube at mag-subscribe kayo sa kanyang YouTube channel, and panoorin nyo po ang mga trainings niya. Live, mayroon siyang recorded trainings na pwede nyong gawin, and malaki ang magiging tulong nito sa inyo. Thank you!